In this film, we explore the city of Bilbao in northern Spain. We fly through the sky to see its famous museum. We stroll through the old town. Visit the main market. Look inside our elegant hotel. Try pintxos in a bar. Fly above the old town. And go inside the Guggenheim. We start with a look at the Guggenheim, taken with my drone. This was opened in 1997 and was immediately recognised as one of the most important works of architecture of the last 50 years. Designed by Frank Gehry, it was built in what was a decrepit port area and revitalised Bilbao. It sits beside the Nervión River. Inside are permanent and temporary exhibitions of art by Spanish and international artists. We stayed in the Carlton Hotel, which you can see here. This is in a prime location in the centre of the city and a short walk to all the other attractions which we see in this film. And here you see our room in the Carlton. The drone takes to the skies to show you the exterior of the Carlton and its setting on the Plat de Moya. The city is surrounded by hills and they even get some snow in winter. We were here in May and it was much colder and wetter than I expected. The Iberdrola Tower looms in the distance, 165 metres high, the tallest building in the whole of the Basque country. The Guggenheim in the middle of the shot, to the left of the red bridge. This is the main market in the city, the Mercado de la Ribera. The Old Town, or Casco Viejo, is a pleasant place for a stroll. The River Nervión runs through the city into the Bay of Biscay 10 miles away. The Teatro Arriaga is an opera house in the Old Town on the left bank of the river. Newer parts of the city are on the right bank. Most bars sell pintxos, which are a Basque variation on tapas. Small slices of bread on top of which is placed a variety of ingredients, held in place with a cocktail stick. They only cost a couple of euros each, and you typically have a couple and then move on to another bar for some more. The birds like them too. A funicular railway took us up this viewpoint on Mount Artangsta, a short distance from the city. It's only 300 metres high, so more of a hill than a mountain really, but the views are impressive. travelling back to the city in the funicular. Inside the Guggenheim, the interior is designed around a large light-filled atrium, which Geary nicknamed the Flower because of its shape, and this serves as the organising centre of the museum. We finish with more drone footage of the Guggenheim from another starting position. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to see more films like this, and also give me a few likes and let me have your thoughts on Bilbao in the comments.